Good morning everyone. So today I am going to tell you about OpenOffice Writer. What is OpenOffice Writer? It's basically a package which you can say possesses a textual matter to create organized and flawless documents, in which you can create a different kind of documents. You can write a letter, you can write a essay, you can do any kind of writing work, and it can be done very easily and convenient way, because there are many options which are in front of you with which you can do the editing and formatting in word processor, which is OpenOffice Writer. And it is obviously more fast than the typewriter, as in typewriter we cannot edit the things. Once it is done you have to retype it. However, in the word processor we have many other features which we are going to learn further. So let us learn about the features now. So the first feature of word processor is fast typing, which helps us to type the documents really fast. You can do it in a very less time, because there are many features available, many options available wherein you can do the editing also. So that is what we have in the second feature, editing feature, which helps you to edit a document very easily. It means if you have done any mistake while typing, the spelling is mistake, you need not have to create a new document, you just can erase it. And the third one is a permanent storage, which means that you can permanently save your document, which you cannot do in typewriter. Now moving further, that is fourth one, which is the formatting features. Formatting feature help you to format your document with different kind of colors, the border style, the you can say different other kind of style, font style, background color, different images you can insert. So that all is related to formatting features. Then the fifth one is the graphics. You can insert the different kind of images in word processor while doing the work. Different kind of shapes can be inserted. There is a clip art gallery wherein different kind of images are present, so you can add those into your document to make it look more attractive. Then the sixth one is the spell check. If you have done any kind of mistake, there's a feature of spelling check which gives you automatically correction of the words. It will suggest you the different kind of words which are correct and which you have typed incorrect. So you can take the suggestions and apply those on your document. The seventh one is the OLE, which is stands for object linking and embedding, which means that you can attach or link the different other documents with your word processing document, or you can attach your word document into other document or other program of the package OpenOffice org. The last one is the mail merge. Mail merge means merging two or more documents along with it. Suppose for example, that if I want to send a birthday invitation to 50 of my friends, now I can write the invitation in the word processor document in Office Writer, and with the help of mail merge I can send all those documents in a single go with the more than, you can say there is no limit actually, you can send it to the different numbers of your friends. So you can type the letters and it can be merged to different addresses, and it can be easily sent to the numbers of people with the help of this feature of WordPress. That's all for today, students. I hope you have understood the topics well. In the next video I'll show you the practical of Writer, that how we can work on OpenOffice Writer. Till then you go through these features. Okay, thank you so much.